guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the Vancouver day trip haul. Last week I went to Vancouver with my mom. We went on a little girls day trip to Vancouver in hopes of finding stuff that we needed at IKEA. Spoiler alert, if you haven't seen the video, we didn't. Which is a little upsetting, but like, it is what it is. IKEA, just do better and ship items to the island, please. I don't want to always have to spend like $100 on the ferry to go get another item that's $100 because you won't ship it. But anyways, enough of my ranting. We have a little cheeky haul for you guys. So because I just was talking about IKEA, I did get one thing from IKEA. If you did watch the vlog, I got this little mat, the front door mat, the rainbow one, which obviously I don't have in my room because it's like an outdoor thing. It's not at my current house. I am saving it for a future home of mine. So it is in my storage locker right now, but it's not here. So here's the picture of it and everything. But so I got that. After that, I think, where did we go? We went to Michael's and we went to Aberdeen Mall. Yes, Aberdeen Mall, where I spent some monies. So we went to this store called like Olomo Japan, which has like a lot of cute stationery stuff. So I got a little pink filing thingy. I don't know what you call these, like accordion files, just because I need to keep my expenses in order. So I got this for all of like my business and YouTube expense things so I can keep myself organized instead of just having receipts kind of stuffed in drawers, because that's not exactly super organized, if you know what I mean. And then I got these two super cute little notepads. So they have these cute little characters and then they have them on the bottom. Ooh. And I just think that that's super cute. So I got this one called Sweet Animals and they look like little hamsters and mice. No, that's mooses. Mooses is meese. Mouse. I can't. Okay, anyways, and then I got Hatsune Miku one. Ooh, cute. Yes. And then it's got the different characters in the different colored sections. So, you know, there's the yellow and then there's Hatsune Miku. I think, how many sections is there? Three or four. There is 3. So we got Hatsune Miku holding a leek, and then we have, I'm sorry, I don't know any of the other characters. I just know Hatsune Miku, so like y'all can come for me. But anyways, it's really cute and it's a notepad we love. That is what I got from this store. I'm just gonna like slowly pile things back here. It's fine. Now Aberdeen Mall is pretty cool. It's kind of like very Japanesey, Korean, Chinese style type like clothing and goods. They have an art box there, which surprisingly I didn't get anything, but there's this one store right by like the escalators. I'm like, I will stick a picture up maybe, and they had my tushy when I saw that they sold Nendroids. So we got 2. I spent a lot of money. So we got Gojo because I don't have him yet, and none of the stores here really carry anime figurines. Like, there's one store that I normally always get my anime figurines, but they have to like order them in, so it was like neat to see a store kind of local. Like, I had to get on a ferry to see it. But anyways, we got Gojo. So I mean, like, you can't really super see because it's got a little plastic wrap on, but I'm very excited and I'll probably do a cheeky unboxing of this guy on my manga account. If you want to follow that, peep it in the description. And I also got Nezuko because she's like my favorite and she's just absolutely adorable. So again, peep my manga account. I will probably do cheeky little unboxings for these guys. But I got both of them because they're super cute. I almost got 3, but I was like, okay, no, you need to like restrain yourself a little bit. But anyways, I digress. So after Aberdeen Mall, we went to Metrotown. And for those who have ever visited Vancouver or have been to Metrotown, how do y'all navigate? Like, even with the little boards stuck up every once in a while, like the "you are here," we got so lost. Like, I feel like you really have to like live there. I feel like even if I lived there, I would get lost. This mall is massive. It's the biggest mall in BC, And so it's like, it would have little pods. So it would be like, they would have like a circle, and then you can like jot out and you could go different ways in the mall, but then those would connect to other circles where you can go out different ways. And like, we get lost. So we kind of like passed a bunch of stores multiple times, but within our travels, we did find a Hot Topic. So I did get a few little things from there. One being the Hatsune Miku X Pusheen t-shirt. I got it in a medium, and I'm hoping because it's cotton that it'll shrink a little bit, because I'm like, well, it might just be like loose. I kind of wanted it more, well, actually, that was probably good. I got it in a medium, and I'm very excited. I just think it's super cute. I knew I had to have this shirt when I saw on Instagram, It's That Jess. I think she did a collab with Pusheen, which I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, go her. I just think it's so cool, but this shirt was so cute, and I knew that like, if we had a Hot Topic here on the island, I would be all up in this. This is so cute, oh my gosh. So yeah, anyways, my rambling. I knew I had to scoop my little handsies on it, and I'm very excited that they had it in stock and at least close to a size that I would need. Medium was their smallest size. They only had like 4 t-shirts left, so I'm glad I went when I did and got the super cute Hatsune Miku X Pusheen t-shirt. The other thing that I scooped up while I was in Hot Topic is this super cute Pokemon Eevee Loungefly bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's definitely like different than what I normally get as far as Loungefly bags go, because I normally get really colorful Loungefly bags, but this one's kind of like neutral tones, earthy tones, if you will. The browns and the beige, and we have yellow and green, but it's so cute. I literally can't. I don't even actually know what the inside looks like because I didn't open it up in store. Okay, so it's just like beige inside. It's not one of their super fancy ones, which makes sense because it was cheaper than regular ones. Like it was only $60, which I mean, like to some people that'd be like, that's still expensive for a bag, but I feel like the other Loungefly bags I have always been like 90 plus, 100 plus. So like, I think she was pretty affordable as far as Loungefly bags go. And anyways, it's really cute. The straps are like this super cute, kind of like pinky beige color. So anyways, I'm very excited for this bag. As well as the Hot Topic, when we were lost and around, we stumbled upon a bookstore. Yes, a bookstore. Of course, I could not go to a mall if they had a bookstore and not go into it. So we did actually try to find the bookstore, which was the Indigo, which I believe is one of Canada's largest book chain retailers. And I did find a few cheeky things that I needed. Only 3. I'm very proud of that. However, I was really unimpressed with how the books were treated at that store. I'm not sure if it's just because like it's a bigger city, but I'm like, I am a person who will look at the same volume of 7 different ones just to get a nice spine and a nice cover and everything. This particular volume had 3 in stock, and the one with the nicest spine had a big bend and a rip in the corner. The second one was all bent and like a page was ripped out. And like, this stuff is just on the shelf. Like, I'm sorry, Indigo, I'm calling you out, but like, y'all as a company should make sure your employees know that you need to take that off the shelf. Like, and there's like teenagers looking into like bending books and stuff. Anyways, a little bit of a rant there. I just think it's really disrespectful and not good. But anyways, I did find 3 books, and here they are. Ooh, mini manga haul in the middle of the month. So we got Love of Kill Volume 4. I think I talked about this in my last manga haul. I'm obsessed with the series. You should go read it. It's like romance, murder, like not intentional murder. Like they work for like the CIA and stuff. But anyways, it's really good. Very adorable. Adorable to, you know, the extent. Owl Hour Ride Volume 7, which I had on order from Indigo last year, and then they canceled it on me. And then I had the rest of the series on order. Long story, whatever. Anyways, I found a nice copy of it. The spine was good, the cover's okay, so everything's good. If you haven't seen the anime or read the manga, do it. Romance, heartfelt emotions. Gah! It's so good. That's all I have to say about that, my words. And the last one I got was Something's Wrong With Us Volume 7, which I have been waiting months for. Oh my gosh, this series, they just finished part 1 of the series, so Volume 8 is gonna be like the next thing, because Volume 7 ends like, I don't want to say how it ends if y'all are reading this one, but it's so good, okay? Like, that's the tea. You haven't read it and you like murder, mystery, romance, feels, stuff. I cannot recommend this one enough. That's the tea. That's the books I got. I digress. The last item of the haul. Y'all know that I love shoes. Everyone like watching this is probably like, oh my god, like another pair of shoes. I'm like, yes, another pair of shoes. So there's a Steve Madden in Vancouver. They get all the cool stores apparently. I'm sorry here, like we have like so many like earthy stores, like I don't know, like they're all, it's just, there's stores that are not for me. They're very like earthy fashions. We're gonna go with that. We're gonna go earthy fashions. Anyway, so Vancouver has a Steve Madden, and I thought that was really cool because I knew that there was a pair of Steve Maddens that I had been keeping my eyeballs on, and they had them in the store. And so I like showed my mom and I was like, Mom, look at these, look at these, look at these. And I have, yes, I have already worn them. So if you people are like, oh my god, she bought a pair of used shoes. No. I have actually already used these because I went and did a like 60s, 70s shoot recently with my sweet friend Mariah. I will leave her stuff in my description because she's an amazing photographer. And if you want to go peep those photos that are going to be coming soon, you should do that. But these shoes, I love them so much and they are super cute. They are the Steve Madden pink ones. I don't know what they're actually called. Linden pink, whatever. They also came in blue and I almost got them in blue as well, but I was like, no, restrain yourself. So I got the pink ones and I'm so happy because they're so cute. And before y'all come for me like, don't you have pink shoes? I'm like, yes, I have pink shoes like that. I'm looking at them right now, but these are dark pink. These are light pink. They're different, so I can justify it. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to do an updated shoe collection soon, aren't I? Yeah, I think I am. I am working on the updated closet tour. I started it actually last year. That is how extensive this is because I wanted to do it outside. But anyways, that's a work in progress. That is all I have though for the Vancouver day trip haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I love you a lot and I will see you in the next one.